Today on How to Sublimate, I'm going to show you how to make SubliGlass. Print your design using your sublimation printer and then ensure the surface of the SubliGlass is clean and free of any dust. And place down on the printed transfer, ensuring it is aligned centrally within the bleed. Secure in position using the heat-resistant tape. Please note, the printed transfer does not need to be printed in mirror. And then place into the heat press so the printed transfer is on top. And then press with the recommended time, temperature and pressure. Once the timer has elapsed, open the heat press. And remove the printed transfer from the substrate, being careful as the glass will be very hot. And once cooled, the product is ready. Thanks for watching, and remember, full details on how to create these products, including time, temperature and pressure settings, can be found on the GJS knowledge base at help.gjs.co.